Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how you can insert a degree symbol in Google Docs. This is useful when you are writing about temperature, angles, geography or science topics, anything that needs that small degree symbol like 90 degrees or 25 degrees Celsius. As an example, I'm going to type 360 and under that I'm going to type 25. And to add degree symbol, you have to go to Insert, then you want to go to Symbols, Special Characters, and here you can drag this menu and search for degree. And firstly, you can add this degree Celsius, or you can add degree Fahrenheit, or you can add basic degree symbol, which is this dot. So you can add this like this. But let's say I'm gonna add Celsius over here and here just like 360 degrees. So this is how you can add degree symbol in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.